Hey guys, Gator Mom here. I hope you're having an awesome day. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Brittany bag from Lily Jade. Alright, so this box is definitely a different type of shape for a bag. It is more like taller instead of wider, so I'm gonna go ahead and kind of set it down and just pull the bag out to show you guys because it's kind of an awkward size, if you will, but I'm gonna just pull it out here. On top of the box, it's just my packing slip. There's nothing else there on top, but right when you open up, there's this packing paper on the very top. And then the bag comes upright, right in the bag like this, which I'm excited about. I'm really excited to open this bag because it's been a while since I've owned like a smaller Lily Jade. I still have the McKenna. I think it's called the McKenna. Yeah, I think it's called the McKenna. And I love that bag by Lily Jade. It's like a smaller crossbody bag. I don't think they make that style anymore, but I love that bag by Lily Jade. It's just like a small, cute little crossbody. And I'm hoping the Brittany is kind of like that, I guess, because I need like a small bag to wear crossbody. So I'm excited for this style because I think it will be like a fun little bag to wear. That's a little bit on the smaller scale. So I can't wait to open it and share it with you guys and do a packing video. Let me know if you have any questions, of course, or any requests as far as this one goes. I recently did the Lori, which is also in the Lily Jade Lifestyle line. This Brittany is also in that same line, so it's not a part of their diaper bag line. It's a part of the Lifestyle line, so it does not come with the baby bag insert that the diaper bags come in. Oh, it smells so good. Their leather bags smell so good. So this is what, all their bags come in this black dust bag here. And then when you pull it out, it has these cute little grab handles. This color is brandy, and all of the hardware is gold, which is really pretty. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I love the size. This is exactly what I hoped it was as far as size. Like I could not tell by the pictures if it was like much bigger than this as far as the scale of it, but I think this is such a cute size. It has feet on the bottom. So you have 4 nice feet here, and it's nice and structured, so it holds its shape really, really well. This is a super cute bag. I love it. I kind of open it up so that you guys can see it. The hardware is a really pretty gold. I don't know if you can see well in the camera there, but it's really pretty gold. On the very front, you have one magnetic pocket, kind of similar to the Lori that I just reviewed. It's like one big magnetic pocket. It's the whole space of this kind of cavity right here. I love this grab handle. This is so cute. That is such a cute handle. I love this bag. Then on the back, you have one zip pocket. And then a spot. Look at that lining. Really pretty teal lining. Love it. Then you have, of course, the signature tassel that comes on all their bags. I'm gonna unwrap it here and show you. So pretty. This is such a fun size, especially because my kids are a little bit older now, so I don't have to carry quite as much for them. Although lately they've been giving me like huge stuff to carry, but I don't have to carry quite as much. I'm gonna leave that on there and kind of take that off later, but I'm just gonna show you the jade beads that come on the tassel there. So pretty. But yeah, so that's the signature tassel that kind of comes on all their bags. Love that. Really cute. Okay, I wanna see the inside, like dying to see the inside of it. Really smooth zippers. Got all this paper. And then of course you have the strap. So you can wear this bag over your shoulder or crossbody, depending on how loose or how tight you make the strap that it comes with. Just attach it here on the side. And then the inside, okay, so the inside is just like the other Lily Jade bags as far as the way that it's laid out. You have 2 pockets over here, just like the other Lily Jade bags. And then you have a zipper pocket over here with a key leash. So it's set up just the same as the other Lily Jade bags, which I love. And it opens up pretty big inside here, which is good. So it's really spacious for this size of a bag, for sure. I love it. I really like the way that it's set up. I think this is a great size. I think it'll be plenty of big for like a wallet and a planner and like some activities for the kids and wipes and all that. This is gonna be a great bag for sure. So this is the Brittany. I'm excited to do a full review and packing video. I just wanted to give you guys like a quick little glance of it now so that you can shoot me over your questions or comments or requests or anything so that I can make sure that I cover them in the packing video. So definitely let me know if there's anything that you want to see as far as this one goes, and if there's any comparisons that you want to see. So I'm definitely going to be comparing this one to the Lori and a few of their other lifestyle bags throughout the first part of 2019 and some other of their styles. But if there's anything else that you want to see in the meantime, let me know for sure. So packing video for this one will be coming very soon. So I will talk to you guys soon. I hope you have a great rest of your day.